The psychedelic experience is the beginning of the spiritual path. That's why it's not important that yogins claim that they can deliver you the psychedelic experience, because it begins with the psychedelic experience. And then you go from there. Our whole lives, we conceive of spiritual development as looking for the answer. Is it Taoism? Is it diet? Is it Tantra? We look for the answer. And I think we have become so accustomed to looking for the answer that it's never really entered our minds what it would be like to find it. And once you come face to face with these psychedelics, the trail end experience, what happens is at higher doses there's simply an area where you can't remember what happened. And the higher the dose, the longer that period of time